Wait, do I have to turn it? Hello? Why would you hand it to me that way, you goof?
Just take it. Just try a chip. These are Hot Wings flavored chips. Do they taste like Hot Wings?
Yes, they actually do.
Oh my god, they smell. Oh, that was weird.
Really weird.
I just got a.
It's like
It smells like Hot Wings. What is that face?
They don't really smell like much to me. Oh, it's pouring out.
Oh, I know.
these taste like hot wings.
Oh, that's...
It's weird at first, but then it tastes like a wing.
Yeah?
Spicy. Tastes like you're eating a hot wing. I'm very confused.
How about you? You think that, Richard? Mm-hmm. Tastes like a hot wing? I may have to try it.
Okay, if you're trying it, try it now.
No. Let me see where the milk is in it.
I want to try the flaming hot ones now. These are the flaming hot ones. Oh my god, they look like they're red.
Oh gosh, they look flaming hot, all right.
Wait. I want to try one that... This one is really...
I guess they're not as hot as the hot wings.
There's no hotness.
This isn't hot.
Really? It says flamin' hot. Interesting.
I just have to show you this beautiful sandwich right here. We got layers of turkey at the bottom and then cheese in the center, lettuce at the top with mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. Oh my god, it looks delicious. Woo! I know. The sparkles. Ew, look at the green. I can't. I really can't, man. The green gets to me. Oh, this one. I saw that.
How did you not see that?
What? I wasn't looking.
Yeah, I like that.
We just got that not too long ago.
That's the P51.
I love the shimmer. And yeah, it's white with the red seeds. That's what I'm saying. Okay. All right. The tree. I've definitely seen that car before. This one. Yep. We've definitely seen that one. I know, but I don't remember that at all. Like not. Just take a minute to look at these. I like the butterfly doors. Watch out, Ellie. What? I like the thing on the handlebars. That's stupid. It's fine.
No, it's not.
No,
That's
that sun is horrible.
Yeah, the sun is pretty bad. If I do say so myself. Does it? Yeah. Huh.
You're fine.
It works. I know. Hi, that's what I was thinking too.
He works. He works late.
Is on that thing.
Jamie more than Jamie.
Garage. Ah, I almost dropped my phone. Fish are friends, not food. Just the shark, and I said fish are friends, not food. It's funny, right?
There's the white.
Oh, look at my leg. That's cool.
I don't have any short jokes.
My It's like, okay. Oh! It's weird seeing like a dark blue like this, which is almost black, and then with white, like the white accents.
Yeah.
But like, I like it. It's nice. Oh my god, look at the inside.
I told you, 70. I said. Yeah.
I kind of want one. It's
With the
red interior.
I love the red interior.
Me too. I don't care. I love the when they got. Oh, look how cool the lights are on that one. Yeah.
the
And these
LED
ones.
kits that they have on the light.
A nice little sunset action. So weird. Why? That's so funny. Wow, we love it. You can barely see the stripes on this, but like you can see it. It's a little. Got some fire happening. What?
You like the white with the black.
Yeah, you're in my shot.
Go ahead. Take your picture. You're on.
No, I'm taking a video. Colors of these cars are strange. So pretty. I cannot.
Just gotta.
Yeah, it's not loud enough though, but it's so nice. Okay, so I just went to Dunkin' Donuts with Rihanna, and I'm so mad because, of course, it's National Donut Day. And to say, like, I was working at Dunkin' Donuts, and I knew it was National Donut Day, I'd be like, all right, guys, we're making donuts all day. Just keep it coming. They ran out of donuts. They gave us munchkins. I mean, munchkins are good too, but like, I wanted a donut. I didn't want a little munchkin. I wanted a donut. It's fine. All right, back on the couch where I've done like every other outro because I'm always in the basement. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please give this a like if you enjoyed and click the subscribe button down below. And I will see you on, what is today's, oh, today's Friday, on Monday.
Sipping on straight chlorine, let the vibe slide over me. This beat is a chemical.
Oh, let me just zoom in on my messy kitchen.
That was your fault.